Welcome, beautiful soul. Today, we open our hearts to the sacred wisdom of water. Learning to move with life, not against it. To soften, to surrender, and to trust the current of our own becoming. Flow like water. I am the river and the rain, the still lake and the crashing wave. I move without resistance, finding freedom in surrender. No rock can hold me, no shape can bind me. I curve, I fall, I rise again, trusting the earth beneath and the sky above. I let go of force, I release control. I become one with flow. I am water, and water remembers the way. Invocation. Great Spirit of Flow, guide me as water would, with grace, with persistence, with clarity. Wash away the hardness within me. Soften my edges. Let me trust the direction of the current, even when I cannot see where it leads. May I learn the sacred art of surrender. Flow through me, flow as me, flow for the healing of all. Meditation. Flow state activation. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and imagine a gentle stream. With every breath, feel yourself becoming that stream. Clear, cool, and alive. Let go of all resistance. Let your thoughts become ripples. Let your body dissolve into the current. You are not separate from life. You are flowing with it. Breathe and flow. Breathe and trust. You are safe to let go. Affirmations. I flow with life, effortlessly and freely. I trust the direction of my soul's current. I release all resistance and embrace change. I am soft, yet powerful, like water. I surrender to what is and open to what may come. Thank you for being here with me in this sacred moment. May you carry the spirit of water with you today. flowing with ease, meeting life with trust, and remembering water never tries, and yet it carves mountains. With all my love, Lisa.